How invoice templates can make your life easier. Invoice templates with predefined service inventories and corresponding charges save time and effort and make your invoicing process more efficient. Let me show you how to create them. Go to Templates from the left sidebar, select Firm Templates in the menu bar, then Invoices. Next, click on Create Template. Let's start writing down the template name. Let's write something like Weekly Bookkeeping. This is what you will see when you select the template. You can add a description that will be shown when the template is selected. Note that shortcodes can be included. This way, you can include dynamic data to individualize your invoices. Next, select whether you want the client to pay you with a debit, credit card, or both. If you want to email your client when the invoice is created, turn this toggle on and add a custom message. They can pay directly from the email without logging into their accounts. Otherwise, they will receive a notification inside the portal. If you turn this toggle on, the invoice will be paid with any TaxDome credits your client might have. Let's now concentrate on itemizing all the services you will perform. To add a line item, click the Line Item button, select a service, or create a new one. Since this is a weekly bookkeeping example, let's fill that out, along with a description. Fill in the rate field, which will be $150 for this, set the quantity of the service, and decide if the line item is taxable by checking this box. You can then enter the tax rate in the Summary section. Below the Line Item section, you will see a summary containing the subtotal, tax rate, and total. Finally, you can add a note to the client and personalize it using shortcodes. It can be either a note with the payment details or just a message. This note will be displayed in the client portal along with the PDF invoice. Finally, click Save and Exit, and you're all set. You've successfully created an invoice template that can be sent to your clients manually or employed in automations. However, as you can see on the screen, you can still modify any sections, including line items, rates, and quantities, before creating the final invoice. You can also use your invoice template when creating a proposal. To do that, press the New button and choose Proposal. You can fill out everything you need here, but for this example, we will go directly to Step 4, Services and Invoices. Choose the Add Invoice or Ask for Deposit option and select the invoice template we just created here. After you have set everything to your liking, press Next and continue with your proposal.